Hello and welcome to another web hosting tutorial. In this one I will show you how to create a subdomain using Hostinger and install WordPress on it. I'm inside my Hostinger business account where I have 4 websites. To start adding a subdomain, I will select Manage. When this page opens, you must choose a website at the top of the left-hand column if you have more than one website. I will select alekonline.com, the website I use to create my video tutorials. Next, I will click on Domains and select Subdomains. The domain will be pre-selected, and for this example I will enter Shop as my subdomain. I highly recommend using this checkbox to create a custom folder for your subdomain, but this time put a hyphen before the folder name and click Create. I will show you why this is important in a few moments. The subdomain is created and you can create as many subdomains as you want by following the same process for each subdomain. Now go to Files on the left and select File Manager. Next, click on Access Files, in my case of alekonline.com. When the File Manager is open, double-click this public HTML folder. You will see this hyphenated shop folder you created at the top when it opens. All other files and folders are related to your primary domain. By adding the hyphen, you will quickly recognize that this folder is dedicated to your subdomain. I only created one, but if you make 5 or 10 subdomains, this is how to keep them better organized. Now that your subdomain is created, I will show you how to install WordPress and create a separate website on it. Close the File Manager window, click on Website on the left and select Auto Installer. Next, click Select to install WordPress. When this window opens, fill in your WordPress admin information. After you finish, it is very important to open this advanced section. If you do not open it and click Next, WordPress will be installed on your current website if you click Install. This is why opening this advanced section after you fill in your WordPress admin information is crucial. If I go back and open it, another important thing is to select the subdomain where you want your new WordPress website to be installed from the drop-down menu. I will select my newly created subdomain and click on Next. Now at the top of this window you can see that WordPress will be installed on your subdomain. I will leave everything as it is and click Install. The WordPress installation process will take a few moments, and when it's over, you will see a newly created page called My Awesome Shop and its web address on the right. If I click on Admin Panel, it will open the WordPress dashboard. If I visit my website, I will see the homepage of my website at shop.alekonline.com. What if one day you decide you don't want a shop subdomain on your website and want to uninstall WordPress? In that case, return to your Hostinger account, go to Website on the left and select Auto Installer. At the top, where it says Installed Applications, select the 3 little dots on the right of your subdomain and select Delete. When this window opens, check all these boxes and select Delete again. The deletion process will start, and when it's over, if you go back to your home page and reload it, your website will be gone. And that's it! Now you know how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and how to install WordPress on it. If you learned something new from this tutorial, please comment, like or subscribe to this channel so we can stay in touch. This will make it easier for others who want to learn how to create a subdomain using Hostinger to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. My name is Alek, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the following tutorial.